Dell PowerMax and VMAX family solutions operate 2023 D-PVM-OE-23 real exam questions are the best material for you to study all the related topics. Share some Dell Storage D-PVM-OE-23 real exam questions here. 1. Which of the following is true about a commit statement executed at the end of the T1 unit of work? A rollback command executed just after the commit command cancels that commit. B. Save points defined during transaction T1 are released only if there is a release save point command executed after the commit command. C. It finishes the current T1 unit of work and a new one is initiated. However, it is possible to roll back to the latest save point before commit. D. It finishes the current T1 unit of work and a new one is initiated. All changes made by update and delete commands during unit of work T1 are committed. 2. The output file of a Linux host collection utility does not match the BCSD parser format. What could be the reason? A. Incorrect LUNs specified. B. Perform is not up to date. CBSCD is incorrectly configured. DOS patches are not up to date. 3. The security admin for Unisphere wants to create a new user that will perform all management, active or control, operations on a storage system and be able to modify GNS group definitions in addition to all monitor operations. The user will not be able to create or delete user accounts. What role needs to be assigned to the new user? A. Storage admin. B. Security admin. C. Device management. D. Admin. 4. SRDF-A has been enabled between two PowerMax arrays. Due to a loss of all RDF links, the SRDF-A session has been placed in a transmit idle state. What happens to cycle switching and the delta sets? A. Cycle switching continues. Capture delta set count grows. B. Cycle switching stops. Transmit delta set count grows. C. Cycle switching stops. Capture delta set count grows. D. Cycle switching continues. Transmit delta set count grows. 5. When adding device pairs to an SRDF Metro configuration using the exempt option, what prevents a device pair from being added? A. R2 device is larger than the R1 device. B. Source group and device pair are in SRDF S mode. CR1 device is the source of a time finder data copy. D. Source group and device pair are in SRDF adaptive copy mode. 6. A storage administrator is unable to terminate the time finder SnapVX snapshot. What action should be performed by the administrator? A. Modify the time to live setting. B. Verify that there are no linked targets or restore sessions. C. Check if there is an available reserved capacity. D. Run a terminate command for each individual LUN. 7. What is the maximum number of bricks and drives that can be configured in a VMAX 950? A. 2 bricks and 100 drives. B. 8 bricks and 288 drives. C. 2 bricks and 96 drives. D. 8 bricks and 1920 drives. 8. Open Replicator is being used to copy data from a VNX to a PowerMax. During the migration, users experience latency when accessing the storage from the VNX. What can be done to address the issue? A. Reduce pace and ceiling value. B. Set pace to 0 and ceiling to 50%. C. Reduce ceiling value. D. Nothing, because copying has started. 9. What action can an administrator perform on a PowerMax using VSI? A. View capacity utilization. B. Manage resyncing objects. C. View replication sessions. D. Manage high availability. 10. A storage administrator has mounted a snapshot of an existing data store to the SSHI server and decided to keep its existing signature. What action is prevented by keeping the existing signature? A. Increasing the data store size. B. Replicating the data store. C. Modifying the data store configuration. D. Restoring the data store.